Hi guys, what's up? It's Kiana and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is super exciting because I am doing another college apartment slash house haul video. If you guys are new to my channel, I'm about to be a senior in college, which is honestly quite flabbergasting. I'm moving into a house for my last year in college, which is almost kind of weird. You might think that's kind of dumb because it kind of is, but that was the cheapest option for my friend group. Besides that, I'm going to be showing you guys some college stuff that I've been buying lately. I'm super excited to announce that I'm working with the Container Store for this video. The Container Store literally has so much stuff and it's perfect for college, so if you haven't been there before, definitely check it out. You guys are going to see some of the stuff that I bought, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I got is actually super essential for me because I need more storage space. So I picked up this bin that's pretty hard and it kind of hurts. It's a nice color. I think this will go perfect in my new room. Okay, the next thing that I picked up is a home spray, and this is just a super random thing that I picked up, but I saw that they had this home spray and it smells pretty fire. If you have any guys in college that you know, this might be helpful for them. This is also great for the bathroom after the BMs, the bowel movements. Okay, so this next thing I'm super pumped about because I've been wanting one of these for the longest time ever. I picked up a Hydro Flask, and this one is in such a pretty color. I got this really nice turquoisey teal color, and if you knew me back in high school, or in middle school too, this was the color of my bedroom before I changed it to this white color. It's a college student essential, and I think everyone kind of needs a reusable water bottle. So moving on to a few bathroom things that I just came across. I got this soap dispenser, and this one is actually on sale. It is this pretty grayish blue color, and it's just a really nice, sleek, shiny dispenser that I really like. I just thought this would make our bathroom look so much better. So I got this, and I also got the matching toothbrush holder. Another thing for the bathroom that I picked up was another toilet brush, and it comes in this super nice bowl. I just thought this was going to be nice because I currently do have a toilet brush, but it isn't very nice. And we have two bathrooms, so I thought I would get another one for the other bathroom. But it's just a nice, solid cleaner thing. I'm usually the one cleaning the toilets, so must have a luxurious toilet cleaner. This is super essential for me and my friends because we all have long hair, we shed a lot. I found this, and this is something I'm really excited about because this is going to prevent a lot of clogs, and I'm not trying to go unclog that drain, so this is really fun. I got this one that's a starfish, and it's just really cute and tropical, and it matches my Hydro Flask. And now moving on to some desk and room essentials, I picked up this pink notebook with the band that will keep it all together, and I just wanted another notebook. I run out of notebooks pretty quickly. Probably gonna go back and get a few more when the school season starts, but for now I just got a cute pink one. Also for my desk I picked up a stapler, and this one is so cute. It is the Russell and Hazel brand acrylic stapler, and it's gold, super extra. I love being extra. This is gonna be great for my desk. So just like the stapler, I picked up a pair of scissors, and I've been needing a good pair of scissors, and these are huge and they're really pretty, and they'll be perfect for my desktop as well. So I went over to go pick out a trash can, and I thought this one was really nice because it has this wood-like appearance on the outside, but it is plastic. I thought this is a good size. Some of them were smaller, and they were really cute, but I thought this one was most practical because I'd rather not have to take out the trash every other day. They also had some nice clear ones, but I thought I wouldn't want everyone to see all my trash. This next thing I'm super excited about. I got a marble-like cutting board. It's not marble though, it's eco marble. It's dishwasher safe, and it's recyclable if you end up wanting to throw it away, I guess. Overall, this just really stood out to me because I love anything marble. I really like this, and I'm probably gonna go back to get more kitchen things. Another thing that I picked up and thought would be super handy would be a laundry basket, and I got this one that collapses just because I'm practical. I just wanted something that wouldn't take up very much space in my car, but I got this one. It's just this tan color, and it has like a rope handle, which is really cute. It's really nice because it's pretty tall. The thing that I'm super excited about is this wire grid that I got in rose gold. This is like stuff that you'd see on Urban Outfitters, and I just really like it a lot. I've been wanting a wire grid for the longest time and almost thought about DIYing one last summer. I bought these individual compartments that hook onto it because they're going to be perfect for storing pencils, pens, and other little notebooks and stuff. I just thought this would be a good way to store things, and something that is way too big to show you guys right now. I ended up getting a huge shelving unit, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put these baskets in it. I'm super excited about that. I'm actually going to try to build that today with my sister. She's really pumped. And then the last thing that I purchased was something that I'm really excited about. It is this white 3-tier rolling cart. I've been seeing these everywhere and I just think they're really cool. I could kind of decorate it and use it as like a little display item, and I was thinking I could put like a plant on the top shelf, more like crafty things at the bottom, just have a cute storage cart. So yeah, more storage opportunities. It looks like that's everything that I got. Thank you so much, Container Store, for partnering up with me for this video. I've got so many cool things and I'm really excited to bring them to my new college house, and I think they're going to be super helpful. I'm definitely not done shopping. I do have a few more things to go pick up at the end of summer. I hope you guys enjoyed this and I hope it gave you some inspiration for your college dorm or your college apartment. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.